Okay guys, so we got the old 4-liter here, and aside from just being a really old motor, no blow-by, and look, it's not noisy anymore. Gee, I wonder if that had something to do with it. Look at that. No good like that at all. See? See all that flopping around? This thing runs sweet as. Needs an oil change, but I'll run it too much longer without the water pump hooked up. But this is the old 91. 407,000 kilometers, or sorry, 475,000. Runs sweet. Oil pressure's good. No volts because it's not hooked up. Oh, gotta shut her off. Water temperature's climbing like crazy. All right. So guys, that was the issue. So I don't have to pull the top end of the motor apart. So that's great. I wasn't really relishing doing that anyways because, well, it's not hard on these. They're pretty simple. But anyways, guys, so water pump for the 4-liter. As you can see, it's already kind of dripping onto the harmonic balancer. You know, a little bit of heat in there. Anyways, guys, that's the problem.